What is the cheapest way to filter your home's water? A shower filter. For under 30 bucks, you can buy this on Amazon. Can you believe it? Comes with a filter. You put it in, you screw it on, under 30 bucks. Now that we have the unit assembled and it's ready to go, we gotta remove our old shower head so we can install this upgraded shower head with our shower filter. So that back nut is what we're tightening. This loosens up. Now this piece, all these pieces are usually plastic, so you can't be too rough with it. Plastic, chrome plated plastic. So be gentle with it. Let's check it out. Let's see if it works, guys. Look, no leaks. Who's the best? Huh? Every time you install a shower filter, you gotta let it run for a while because there's carbon in there and you always gotta let it run for a while. At least 2 to 3 minutes. Run your shower filter. Protect yourself. Filter your water cheaply.